Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split your rent into two payments. First, unlock your phone and open the Flex app. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Open the home screen. You will see your total rent amount and your payment schedule. Flex automatically split your rent into two payments each month. Tap View Schedule or Payment Details. You will see the first payment due to at the beginning of the month, the second payment due late in the month. Each payment is smaller than paying the full rent at once. And make sure you have added your bank account or debit card. Flex use the payment method to automatically charge both payment on their due date. You can track everything in the app under payment or history. Always make sure you have enough money in your account on both payment dates to avoid fees. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.